King Nebuchadnezzar made a massive golden statue and commanded all the people of Babylon to gather before it. A royal herald proclaimed, "When you hear the music, you must fall down and worship the golden image." The music played, and the people bowed down, but 3 men remained standing: Shadrach, Meshach, and Abednego. Jealous officials quickly noticed and went to accuse them before the king. They were brought before King Nebuchadnezzar, who demanded to know why they refused to worship the statue. They answered with courage, "Our God is able to deliver us from the fiery furnace, and he will deliver us from your hand." Furious with anger, the king ordered the furnace to be heated 7 times hotter than usual. Soldiers seized the 3 men and led them toward the blazing furnace. Then they threw Shadrach, Meshach, and Abednego into the roaring fire. But inside the flames, something incredible happened. The fire did not harm them. The king looked and was astonished. There were 4 men walking in the fire, and the 4th looked like a heavenly being. Shocked, King Nebuchadnezzar rushed closer and called for them to come out of the furnace. They walked out unharmed, and not even the smell of fire was on their clothes. Then the king praised their God, declaring that no other God could save in this way. And so the faith of Shadrach, Meshach, and Abednego showed the power of trusting God. If this story inspired you, like the video and subscribe for more Bible stories.